Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how I can add money to Vested. Now Vested is a brokerage account in which you can start to invest your money. Now this is mainly used in India, so we're going to go step by step into a one-time process to load your funds. Now to start off, you need to open a Vested Direct account, which is a zero balance saving account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to load in your funds via the existing net banking solution. So basically means via your banking account. And then you can load in USD into your Vested account. And then you will, of course, need to initiate that request from the application. And then, of course, every single 12 months, the bank that, the Indian bank, of course, if you're from India, will require a 12-month bank statement from your existing bank account to see what you're doing with your money, where is it going, etc., etc. Good thing about this is there are zero transaction fees. So any sort of bank account, there are zero transaction fees, but also there is a very low Forex markup, which is basically one of the lowest markups in the industry. So if you're from India and looking for a brokerage account, this one is really good for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.